Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone, especially for you ma'am. By the way, my name is Almorique Demundas from Group 4, ABVD1C. My topics is the conjunction and disjunction. Conjunction and disjunction in logic. Conjunction in logic, a conjunction is a compound statement formed by connecting to a statement, proposition with the logical operator, and not by and the conjunction P and Q is true. It and only if both P and Q are true. For example, let P be the statement it is raining. Let Q be the statement I have umbrella. The conjunction P and Q can be written as it is raining and I have an umbrella. This compound statement it is true only if both part of the statement are true. It must be raining and must have an umbrella. Disjunction in logic. Disjunction is compound statement formed by connecting two statements, propositions with the logical operator, or not by or the disjunction P or Q is true if at least one of P or Q is true. For example, let be the statement it is raining and let Q be the statement I have an umbrella. Disjunction P or Q can be written as it is raining or I have an umbrella. Another example, I love cat and dog, or the conjunction is I I I love cat and dog. The disjunction is I love cat or I love dog. The conjunction P and Q. P true, true, false, false, and Q true, false, true, false. P and Q are false, false, false. This is a true table of conjunction and disjunction. And disjunction P or Q, P true, true, false, false. Q true, false, true, false. P or Q true, 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 false. For example, sentence in natural language. The logical form P and Q. Example sentence: I will go to the party if and I only if I finish my homework and my friend can come with me. If I finish my homework. Q, my friend can come with me. The conjunction I finish my homework and my friend can come with me. Disjunction logical form P or Q. For example sentence, I will go to the party if I finish my homework, or my friend can with me. If I finish my homework. Q, my friend can come with me. The disjunction I finish my homework or my friend can come with me. Summary conjunction and connects to statements as the combined statement. It is true only if both individual statements are true. For example, it is raining and I have an umbrella. Disjunction or connects to statements as that the combined statement is true it if at least one of the individual statement is true. For example, it is raining or I have an umbrella. These logical operators help in forming complex logical expression and are fundamental in logical reasoning, computer science, and mathematics. That's all po, ma'am. Yun lang po ng akin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.